What's his name?
Her name is Coco.
Coco.
Coco Loco.
And I came here in March, yeah.
He acts as a
Can you get it?
toothbrush as well.
What is that?
Does that actually cleans your teeth as well?
Well, yes, of course it is. She does take my saliva. Right, Coco? Turn around, Coco.
Coco.
We had a great meeting.
Gorgeous bird.
Yeah, she's a lot of fun too. 14 years old.
Really? Wow. Yeah, well, parrots, they live quite a long time, don't they?
Well, not this. Well, I don't know that. Some species probably do, but not as long as you do expect the folkloric
Yeah.
goes. No. Okay, Coco.
Coco.
Yeah,
No kidding.